Hello, and thank you for your interest in participating in our summer reading program. To begin with, you'll need to create an account on READsquared. You can do this on your computer or by downloading the READsquared app. Today, though, I'll just be showing you how to register on a computer. The app registration is similar, though, so you should be able to follow along with your smart device as well. So to start, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to colliervillelibrary.readsquared.com. Library. It'll be this guy here. Otherwise, it'll take you directly to it if you did it right in your browser bar. So this will take you to the login page. If you don't have an account, you can click register online here or register now down here. So a nice feature of the READsquared software is that a parent can register themselves and their children. This way, parents can log reading for multiple people at once rather than logging in and out of several accounts to log everything. Alternatively, you can just register yourself. So I'll pretend I'm a parent today and register myself and others. I'll select my age range and decide whether or not I'd like to participate in the program as well. So parents, you don't have to participate in the summer reading program if you don't want to, but we do invite you to. Continuing on, you'll just input the personal information here, create a username and a password, and click continue. I'll fill this in really quick and jump ahead to the next part. Alright, so after you hit continue, you'll register each of your children. Now, there are 3 programs children can be a part of. There is the pre-K for ages 0 through 5, children's for ages 6 through 12, and teens for ages 13 to 18. In the past, we've separated the programs by grades, but the READsquared software works much better with the age groups. So if you have a child that has a birthday during the summer, for instance, you may have a 5-year-old turning 6 at the end of June, you're welcome to log them as their upcoming age rather than their current age if you feel they are advanced enough to participate in the higher level program. Once you decided, you'll input the information for all your children. So let's pretend I have a 3-year-old. And again, it's just the personal information. You can create a username and password for them if you would like. That is not required, though. And down here, you can set up your recommendations if you want to get emailed book recommendations every week or not. Once you're finished adding all your children, you can do done adding children, or done adding readers rather, or you just hit continue to continue adding readers. So I'll get all of my hypothetical children registered and meet you at the next part. Once you've finished adding readers, you'll arrive at the home page where you'll receive a welcome. Now, there may be other pop-ups throughout the summer as well, such as important announcements or if you've earned a badge. Probably the most used tab on the home screen that you'll use, though, is the Log Reading tab. Now, the adults, teens, and children will all log minutes, while the pre-K will log picture books or books in general. So we'll start off with the minutes here. You're just going to click the button, then type in the required information. So say we read like 60 minutes reading Harry Potter. And it will actually give you suggestions of the title that you're looking for, as well as for the author. Like so. And then you want to click on the accounts that you want to log for. For instance, if I read aloud to B and C here, we could all gain the minutes that we're logging. And you just hit submit, and those 3 accounts now have logged 60 minutes each. Except it'll give you more pop-up notifications if you've earned badges. It'll confirm that you have earned your points. So conversely, with the picture books, it's very similar. And even remembered what I last put in, so that is also nice. And you'll just select the readers you want to register, or rather log reading for. So you can submit just like so. Same process. You're also welcome to write reviews for the book. So if you're at a log reading, you'd see here you can add a book review. Alternatively, you can go here and it'll pop up with the same screen that you would get by clicking on the Submit Book Review there. Some programs will actually reward you for the extra points if you do the review, so I highly suggest making those book reviews. So as you earn points, you'll also earn badges. So some of those badges might have a little trophy next to them. I don't think I see any here in the adult one, so I'm going to actually switch over to D. Trumpy has one. So you can see some of these badges have trophies next to them. That means that there is a prize associated with those badges. So if you actually click on a badge that you've earned, you can see here what prizes that you have earned. So be sure to drop by the library to pick up those prizes. So those are the basics of creating a READsquared account and logging your time. Of course, there are plenty of other options that you can explore if you want to learn how on your own, or check our other instructional video for more information. Thank you for watching. Bye!